11:38 and the train has already departed. There could be two possible reasons. The driver of that other train either emergency braked or
This is a customer information for customers awaiting on platform 2. Your next step is to Sheffield. Now will depart from platform 4. This is a customer information for customers on platform 2. The next step is
it's doing it again.
will depart now from platform 4. This is platform change, platform change. Next step is to Sheffield. Will depart now from platform number 4.
I think it's just due to that the track is overheating. It's nothing to do with the driver. As you just heard from the announcer, they're going to open.
Information for customers on platform 2. The next service to Sheffield now will depart from platform 4. Platform 4 is outside the station on your left. Platform 4 is outside the station on your left. Customers on platform 2, please make your way to main gate line and make your way to platform 4 for next service to Sheffield.
I was about just to say that.
Customers are waiting on platform 2. Your next service is coming on platform 4. This is platform change, platform change. Next Sheffield service will depart from platform 4 now.
That driver of that train is probably wondering what the fuck is going on. That's actually outside the station.
Sunday, 17th May, there will be a transfer to the next station. For more information,
Let's go on platform 4. Well, I like these stairs.
Is the customer information for customers awaiting for eastbound service, Sheffield service. The trains will run out from platform 4. This is platform change, platform change. Next service, Sheffield will depart now from platform 4. Customers on platform 4, please validate your card on the yellow reader and exit straight up. This is the customer information for any customers are waiting for eastbound service to Sheffield. Please make your way on platform 4. Platform 4 is outside the station on your left. Any customers are waiting for Sheffield service. This is platform change.
If Francis were here, he would love that.
From platform 4. Platform 4 is outside the station. Platform. The next service on platform 4 is not your customer use. Please do not attempt to board this train. This is the customer information for customers are waiting for Sheffield train eastbound service listed line. Please make your way on platform 4. Your next service to Sheffield will depart now from platform 4. This is platform change, platform change. The next Sheffield train will depart now from platform 4 until further notice. Thank you.
I don't know if you can hear that, but the train car is literally mooing. This train is coming in the platform a bit slow, either because of the freight train that's in front of it, or the tracks are becoming hot on this side too. Here's my theory. Later on it's going to get worse. The tracks here is going to get so hot that these trains will have to be on that platform, or the entire line will get cancelled off. That's just my theory. I could be absolutely wrong.
Waiting on platform 4. We do apologize on behalf of Elizabeth Line for this delay. This is due to a signaling issue between Stratford and Forest Gate. Due to weather condition, your train has been delayed.
Cancelled.
And it's going to be at Forest Gate approximately.
And the top one's delayed. The trail farm.
To Sheffield, customers are advised to stand behind the yellow line until this train will come to the fully stop. Before boarding the train, please allow passengers.
It is 12:10.
Please use all the length of the platform.
Delayed by 10 minutes.
Use all the available doors. Thank you.
I'm going to end the video now because my phone is overheating. Look at the platform now. There was a lot of passengers here, but now look, empty. All because of that signal fault over there. Signal melted, probably.